For over a century, Boba motorcycles have defined individuality on two wheels, stripping away the unnecessary for pure performance and style. Born in the 1920s, these minimalist machines turned heads with their chopped fenders, bare-bones builds, and unmistakable vintage charm. Today, the spirit of the custom Boba lives on, factory-made and ready to ride, no custom shop required. But which modern Bobas truly capture that timeless vibe? In today's video, we'll talk about the 10 best vintage Boba motorcycles. If you enjoy the video, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. Number 10. Maving RM1. From the heart of Coventry, UK, Maving introduces the RM1, a Boba unlike any other, because this one runs on pure electricity. With its minimalist design, single seat and classic spoke rims, the RM1 stays true to the stripped-back Boba ethos while embracing a futuristic edge. The fuel tank cleverly houses an optional second battery, maintaining the traditional look while doubling its range. Each battery delivers around 40 miles of city riding, powering a rear hub motor with 4 horsepower, peaking at 5.9 for short bursts, and an impressive 118 pound-feet of torque. The RM1's top speed of 45 miles per hour might not break speed records, but it's perfect for urban explorers seeking a blend of vintage style and modern innovation. With its clean lines and electric soul, the Maving RM1 redefines what a Boba can be, proving that simplicity and sustainability can ride hand in hand. This isn't just a motorcycle, it's a vision of the future, wrapped in timeless design. Number 9. CCW Heist. If you think Bobas are all about stripped-down simplicity, then the CCW Heist is here to prove it. Forget the heavyweight cruisers with ride modes and 600-pound curb weights. This bike is the definition of minimalism. Powered by a modest 250cc air-cooled single-cylinder engine. It churns out 15.4 horsepower and 11.8 pound-feet of torque, enough to push it past 70 miles per hour. At just 291 pounds with a low 26.8-inch seat height, the Heist offers unmatched accessibility and agility. True to its roots, the Heist features a rigid rear end with the rear suspension, handled by a vintage-style sprung seat. Its retro vibe, lightweight frame, and stripped-back design make it a standout, but the real showstopper? A jaw-dropping price tag under $4,000. With its classic looks and unbeatable value, the CCW Heist isn't just a motorcycle. It's a bold statement that proves great style and fun don't have to come at a premium. Number 8. Vitis EV Twin. The Vitis EV Twin is the epitome of luxury and innovation, born from the vision of yacht owner Steve Smith, who wanted a motorcycle that could easily be stored aboard his yacht and taken out whenever he docked. Handmade in the UK and designed for an exclusive clientele, this electric bike is as rare as it is impressive. Just 50 units were slated for the first year of production. Powered by a 14.75 horsepower motor, the EV Twin offers a 100-mile range and a top speed of 70 miles per hour, matching the performance of a 125 cubic centimeter gas bike. But the real allure lies in its styling, a sleek electric bike that mimics the look of a classic air-cooled V-twin. Weighing 364 pounds, it may not be the lightest, but its high-end details, like carbon fiber fenders, more than justify its $40,000 plus price tag. With a more powerful motor on the horizon, the Vitis EV Twin is a glimpse into the future of luxury electric motorcycles. Number 7. CCM Spitfire Boba. The CCM Spitfire Boba is the epitome of factory-built custom perfection. Stripped to the bare essentials, it adheres to the classic Boba ethos with precision. There's not a single superfluous detail. Even the frame is a minimalist masterpiece, contributing to its featherlight curb weight of just 298 pounds. At its heart lies a Husqvarna TE630 single-cylinder engine producing 55 horsepower and 43 pound-feet of torque. While those numbers might seem modest, the Spitfire's ultra-light build ensures exhilarating performance, with the front wheel easily lifting skyward in lower gears for a thrill-packed ride. But this bike isn't just about performance, it's a work of art. Every angle reveals intricate craftsmanship, making it a showstopper even when standing still. The CCM Spitfire Boba isn't just a motorcycle, it's a head-turning blend of engineering and design that redefines what it means to ride in style. Number 6. Moto Gzy V9 Boba. The Moto Gzy V9 Boba stands out as a bold European twist on the classic Boba style. While it features a pillion seat as standard, its design leans more toward a stripped-down street bike than a traditional cruiser, offering a fresh take on the Boba aesthetic. But what truly sets this bike apart is its quirky, old-school charm. Its transverse-mounted V-twin engine and shaft drive deliver a distinctive side-to-side rocking motion every time you blip the throttle, a feature that's uniquely Moto Gzy. Powered by an air-cooled 853 cubic centimetre engine producing 64 horsepower and 53 pound-feet of torque, the V9 Boba isn't about sheer performance. Instead, it captures the essence of Italian flair and craftsmanship, delivering a stylish, soulful ride. If you're looking for a Boba with personality and character that breaks free from the mold of American iron, the Moto Gzy V9 Boba is your perfect escape. Number 5. BMW R18. BMW's debut in the cruiser world, the R18, is a masterclass in blending heritage with modern engineering. This motorcycle doesn't just look the part, it's brimming with personality and craftsmanship. Dominating the design is the enormous 1800cc boxer twin engine paired with an exposed shaft drive, delivering 91 horsepower and a thunderous 116 pound-feet of torque spread generously across the rev range. With air and oil cooling, the R18 stays true to old-school charm while matching the power figures of competitors like the Street Bob. But BMW couldn't resist adding a touch of whimsy, naming its ride modes Rock, Roll and Sheen, and even throwing in a reverse gear for practicality, all wrapped in a low-slung, approachable frame. Retro details like fishtail exhausts, a classic round headlight, spoked black rims, and charming winged nuts add vintage flair, while BMW's trademark precision ensures modern quality and reliability. The R18 isn't just a cruiser, it's a bold statement that pays homage to the past while paving the way for the future. Number 4. Indian Scout Boba 20. The Indian Scout Boba 20 brings vintage style to life with a modern twist, making it a standout in the world of V-twin cruisers. This neo-retro beauty combines timeless design elements like chrome accents and matte black finishes with contemporary features such as mini-ape handlebars and sleek bar-end mirrors. Powered by a potent 1,133 cubic centimetre V-twin engine, it delivers an impressive 95 horsepower and 71.5 pound-feet of torque. Unlike its Harley rivals, the Scout Boba 20 trades raw torque for a boost in horsepower, giving it a more modern edge beneath its retro facade. Every detail is crafted for impact, from the shark gill exhaust pipe accents to the offset rear shock that keeps the seat height low for a classic stance. Whether you're drawn to its bold performance or its head-turning design, this bike effortlessly blends old-school charm with modern engineering, making it the perfect ride for those who crave individuality. Number 3. HarleyDavidson Street Bob. The HarleyDavidson Street Bob redefines the modern Boba, blending stripped-down aesthetics with powerhouse performance. At first glance, it might deviate from traditional Boba design, sporting alloy wheels and a pillion seat in most images online. But there's a reason behind these choices. Tubeless tyres offer unmatched convenience, and optional kits like the pillion seat, grab handle, and sissy bar can easily be removed to embrace a solo rider vibe. With its sleek, blacked-out theme across the frame, engine and wheels, the Street Bob exudes modern rebellion while staying true to its roots. Beneath the bold exterior lies the heart of a beast, the Milwaukee 8114 V-twin engine, delivering a jaw-dropping 119 pound-feet of torque and an 1,868 cubic centimetre displacement that's built to thrill. If the Softtail doesn't quite satisfy your craving for power and style, the Street Bob steps up as the ultimate choice for those who demand more from their ride. Number 2. Triumph Bonville Boba. If there's one motorcycle that effortlessly merges timeless vintage aesthetics with modern engineering, it's the Triumph Bonville Boba. Taking the classic Bonville to the next level, this bike redefines retro cool with its ingenious design and raw performance. The standout feature? A cleverly hidden rear shock under the solo seat, creating the illusion of a hardtail frame, a nod to classic chopper styling. But don't be fooled by its nostalgic looks. Under the hood lies a beastly 1200cc parallel twin engine delivering 77 horsepower and a hefty 78.2 pound-feet of torque, ensuring performance as bold as its appearance. And let's not forget the undeniable Steve McQueen vibes it exudes, channeling the spirit of The Great Escape and instantly elevating your street cred. This bike isn't just a ride, it's a statement. Number 1. HarleyDavidson Softtail Slim. Stripped down, raw, and unapologetically cool, the HarleyDavidson Softtail Slim is the ultimate bobber motorcycle for purists. As part of Harley's iconic Softtail range, it shares the same powerful foundation but strips away the excess, delivering a minimalist design that oozes classic charm. At its heart is the roaring 1746 cubic centimetre Milwaukee 8107 V-twin engine, cranking out an impressive 110 pound-feet of torque at just 3,000 revolutions per minute. A diesel-like low-end grunt that makes every ride unforgettable. While Harley keeps horsepower figures under wraps, it's safe to say the Softtail Slim stands toe-to-toe with its peers in performance. And if the vintage bobber aesthetic isn't enough, Harley's extensive aftermarket parts catalogue lets you dial up the attitude, like adding high-rise handlebars for a subtle nod to old-school choppers. The Softtail Slim isn't just a motorcycle, it's a statement of rebellion and timeless style that turns heads wherever it goes. What are your thoughts? Let us know in the comment down below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for new upcoming videos of motorcycles. Thanks for watching!